For today's video, I will show you how to use Venmo with American Express. So, let's begin. Okay, so here's how to send money and split purchases with the American Express app. It's really easy to get started. I've done this multiple times. So for you guys, all you're gonna do is download the Amex app on your smart device. Log in and tap the account tab. Enroll in Send and Split. Of course, you need to link your Venmo. Okay? Now, to send money, once you've enrolled in the Send and Split and your send account is set up, go to the account tab right here. And select Split. Within the Send tab, tap Send Money, and you need to enter the person you want to send money to, either manually or from your device's contact list if it's already saved, and enter the amount of money you want to send. Of course, you need to tap to review and then complete the transaction. And if you don't have enough funds in your Amex Send account, you'll be prompted to instantly add money from one of your American Express cards. You can also send money in the Venmo or PayPal app by selecting your Amex Send account. Remember guys, Venmo and PayPal are partners as your payment method. Now, once sent, the recipient should receive the money in their Venmo or PayPal account right away. Now, to split purchases, all right, using the app, tap on any pending or posted charge and tap Split It. Then select up to 20 contacts to receive a payment request entered manually or from your contacts list. The app automatically divides the charge evenly, but you can adjust amounts manually as needed, right? So if you're like, getting the bigger amount, you can do that. Venmo send out requests for payments, and you can choose to have the money applied as a statement credit or deposited into your Venmo account. And Amex does all the math and keeps track of who hasn't paid you back yet, and you are still responsible for the full purchase. All right, now we go over to the Venmo app. Again, if you sign up for the Amex Send and Split, you can use your Amex Send account to make payments to other Venmo users in the Venmo app. Once again, go to the Me tab by tapping your picture or initials. Go to the wallet section and tap Add Bank or Card, which is the Amex American Express. All right, pick Amex Send account from the list of options, and from there you will be able to sign into your Amex account. And after you link the two accounts together, you will be able to either return to the Venmo app or add money to your Amex Send account. And again, if you are starting from the Venmo app, you can link your Amex Send account as a payment method on Venmo, and once you have completed that process, you can use Amex Send to make Venmo payments. You'll need to make sure there's enough money loaded into your Amex Send account to fund the Venmo payment fully, or else the Venmo payment won't go through. All right, and that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in our next video.